This house is fat, bro.
It's bumpy.
Oh, my head.
He was trying to squeak.
You gotta have an SUV up in this joint. Get your hands in the window. Dang, you fat. You fat. What's up, everybody? This is Brandon Green from Gold Element Autoworks. I just picked up another car. This is my GL550. Check it out. So my wife already drives a 09 GL550, and this is a 2010 GL550. So I bought this because I got rid of my Cadillac Escalade, the ESV. So I'm all Mercedes now. So I'll be doing some upgrades to this one. I already have some 24-inch wheels that's going to go on there. Those are nice, huh? Yes, indeed. So those will be going on there. You see, I still have a lot of projects going on. I'm still working on my CL550. This is an interior mod. I have a lot of parts, a lot of things going on, a lot of moving parts. I still have the S550 4Matic that I'm working on. But right now, like I said, it's all Mercedes over here, and I'm gonna keep it that way. There goes the SL right there. Yep. So, and then the CL550 is up there. So I had to move some cars around. Just got finished hooking up somebody, fixing somebody's or installing somebody's audio system, like a subwoofer amplifier and stuff, on his new Jeep that he just picked up. So I still do that kind of stuff like every so often, but I'm trying to focus just on the business aspect of what I do, and that is customizing and helping out with the Mercedes models, doing the customization and modifications for the Mercedes models. And so, yeah, I'm just all over the place right now, but I just want to give everybody an update as to what's going on and what I have in the works. So the GL550, I love these things. I love the 5.5 or the 550 motor versus the 450. I love the power range. I mean, really, it's the same motor that's in the CL550 and the S550 and the CL550. All the 550 models share the same motor. Even that G-Wagon that I just did some work on, the G550. Same power, same motor. So yeah, I love these things, man. And so I like this one. I like the contrast with the tan interior with the black. It's going to look really good with those wheels. I already put one on just to see how it sits, and it's a beautiful thing. I do have to put some. I had spacers on there on them in order for them to stick out, but I also have to do the rings, the hub rings, so that it's centered, because these, even though they're 5x112, the hub is a little bit larger. It's not the 74.1, it's the one right up underneath that. So I have to order some rings so that it will sit center on the hub, and I won't have to worry about balancing and shaking. So there it is. So go to my Autoworks, Brandon Green, just an update with what I have going on. You already know what that is. That's my baby right there, the CL55 wide body, one of a kind. Okay, I'll be in touch, guys. I'll keep you posted. Take care. Bye.